Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the mutualistic relationship of fungus with plants. Now, mutualism is a type of symbiotic relationship in which two organisms which come closer with each other and interact with each other both gets benefits. In this example, for example, mutualistic relationship between plant and fungus is known as mycorrhiza. Now, this relationship is a product in a sense that fungus, which is soil-dwelling organisms, it comes in close contact with the roots of higher plants. Now, it either grows on the plants, on the roots of plants, or it penetrates inside the roots of the plants. This helps the fungus to get easy access to the food which is synthesized by the plants. As we are aware that a plant has the ability to synthesize their own food. So it has plenty of food which can also be provided to the fungus, which has mutualistic relationship with them. And in return, plants gets benefits from those fungi. It increases not only the absorption of water from the soils for the plants, but also the absorption of different nutrients. Now, as you can see here, this is a typical example. You can see it's a plant, and the roots of plants which are penetrated very deep, and inside those roots at the junctions are actually the fungi which is in association with these plants. Now, about 90% of all vascular plant species, they have these fungal partners in this beneficial association. In this beneficial mycorrhizal association, the mycelia of fungi, they use their extensive network of hyphae and creates a large surface area which gets in contact with the soil in order to obtain water and minerals from the plants and provide it to the from the soil and provide it to the plants. In exchange, plants supply the products of photosynthesis, which is in the form of glucose and some amino acids to fuel the metabolism of fungus. Now, this importance of this mycorrhizal association between plants and fungus, it became evident when horticulturalists, which are the plant experts, they observe that the plants in an orchard do not grow if a specific kinds of fungus is not present in the soil in that orchard. So this shows how important this relationship which benefits both of the organisms. At least 5,000 species of ascomycetes and basidiomycetes, which are large classes of fungus, they form mycorrhizal relationship with the higher plants. Most of their hyphae, they coat the roots of the plants rather than penetrating inside the plants. That's why they are known as ectomycorrhiza. Now, these relationships are very beneficial to create a balance in the ecosystem and for the benefits of both organisms which come in close contact with each other.